Hey, welcome to Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today we have this awesome nondescript package here for you. This is a Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 tablet laptop. Now today we're gonna unbox this bad boy. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, what comes in here, and then I'm gonna go off, run it through some paces, check it out, review it, and throw all that info in another video. But first, I need to thank Dell and Best Buy for giving me this product to review. So like I said, nothing really going on in the box, but there's some specs. So let's talk about those real fast, then open it up. So like I said, this is a 2-in-1. The model is 7445. It's an ice blue. As you would expect, being a 14, this is a 14-inch display that's full HD touch with a webcam. Not too bad performance here. We're running with an AMD Ryzen 5 8640HS processor. There's 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes SSD. Nothing too fancy, just with an integrated AMD graphics card. As expected, Windows 11 Home, and then some bonuses. It's gonna have wireless AX, Bluetooth, an SD card reader, HDMI and USB-C, and a backlit keyboard. Gotta love that. And a fingerprint reader. With that out of the way, what's it look like? Open. Dell. Looks like we got an accessories box here. Just your charger, so it's gonna charge on a USB-C, the power cord to the charger, and some snacks. Just kidding, don't eat this. I like that the brick's kind of small. It's a little computer, it works out. Yeet, yut. Welcome to Dell, let's do great things together. We got a laptop, which is ice blue, quick start guide. I like that it's printed, and some warranty, but there's not much to the quick start guide, it just says plug the damn thing in. And scan for the rest of the guide. Holy cow, it's heavy. Hey, look at this little guy. I like it. Open it up, get this cloth out of the way. And there's your nice 14-inch display. Kind of ice blued out the keyboard. I like that. A little kind of texturized. Nice big trackpad. We got all of our AMD accoutrements there. Fingerprint reader is going to be right there on the power button. Here's the back with a fan. Looks like either a fan or some speakers on the very back. Probably a fan. We got a USB, headphone jack, and an SD card reader. The HDMI, USB, and then two USB-Cs, and then it kind of does the 2-in-1 like some yoga poses. So you got, you know, laptop mode, got kind of a display mode, you got the handy old tent mode, and finally the tablet. So it's pretty cool. Oh man, this screen looks nice just on its own unlit. So I'll fire it up and see how the graphics are. But that's kind of all I have for this unboxing. So I'm gonna run off, do some probably everyday PCing on this thing. I'm not sure how crazy I'll go. I'll see what kind of light gaming it can do. It just has a regular graphics card. Probably check out some streaming on it because it has the different kind of fold modes. Seems very convenient for sitting there and watching videos and what have you. And I'll come back with my thoughts. Thanks for watching though. Please like, comment, and subscribe, please. Please. In the comments, throw any questions you want to know about this that I can look at while I review, and it'll help drive my review video when I do that. And then I don't really know, like, I'm looking forward to this thing because I like tiny laptops. It's not too heavy, kind of light, portable. So there's nothing I really want to harp on Dell right now, except this. The guide just says to plug it in and turn it on. Scan for anything else. Come on, really? Like all this white space? You already put the paper in here. You couldn't just throw a little bit more information on there. Here's a good idea. Dell, why don't you put the poses that I could put this in so that I know what you intended me to do with it? So, Dell, when it comes to making a decent quick start guide, try trying harder.